Hi, ciao, assalamu alaikum. In today's video we've got this collected acacia, which I have uploaded a video in spring 2022 and let it grow for all spring and summer, but because of some technology issue I've lost few videos. As you can see here, in spring 2023 I've already done a chop of the top and it sent out 2 new leaders. Not much happening at the bottom, so just another big cut and a hard prune here to reduce the size. And I know it seems to go backwards, but it actually helped to thicken up the trunk, as you can see. So yeah, a hard prune today for this one, and we jump again to summer 2023, and you can see again all the vigor goes to the top with a new strong leader, but this time also the bottom has some nice growth. So I've lost also the pruning video for that, but anyway, we jump again in early spring 2024 and the tree is still dormant, as you can see. Not much happening, but the trunk starts to develop a nice bark and the buds are ready to pop out anytime soon. So it's a perfect time after 2 years for another repotting. As you can see, the roots has filled up the pot. So once again, just working on the soil, coming out the roots and working on in a radial direction. So here it is after a wash. Now start to untangle the roots and prune off the one that grows too high and exposing more of the trunk. Here just I have some inverse taper happening, so I can't go any lower with the roots that I've got, because otherwise it will look odd. So I decided to keep some of the one on the top and start from there. I'm happy with the size anyway. So removing some old stubs from previous pruning and this front branch, cleaning up a little bit the silhouette of the tree and prune back the lower branch. Back into a terracotta pot, a bit more shallow and large this time. sure the root sits radial and horizontal. Filling up the pot. Working on the roots with a little chopstick. Make sure the tree stands straight and centered, and just work the soil into those roots. And then, as usual, just applying some little cut paste to help the healing process. So not much pruned off from the top this time, but a lot of roots. So we're just gonna give it its time to recover from that. And now we jump to summer 2024.